Oh, Donovan and I were having an interesting conversation today because we were trying to figure out, like, if we could find a solution to the coronavirus, right? What would that solution be? I don't know. What are you doing?
Should I bite the stop button?
What would that solution be?
Oh, take all the old people, because they're the ones that's dying, and
put them in the Airbnb. Put them over there.
Right, and take them and put them all in the Airbnb.
This is Donovan's idea, by the way.
Because I'm like, they're the ones that's getting sick and dying, not the young people. So why do young people have to not go to work and not make money?
So, okay. Another thing that I think we didn't talk about earlier.
In the hotel. On those two, but yeah.
Because that's just the old people. What about the sick people? Or people with compromised immune systems?
Same thing.
So you're going to put the sick people with the old people? I feel like they might just contaminate each other with the other stuff.
Nobody has... What? No, it doesn't work like that. The underlying problems are not ones you could pass on to somebody else. You're not going to pass off your
cancer,
weak immune system to someone else. It's not going to happen. An unhealthy diet is not going to be passed off. So...
How would you do that, though?
This is how I look at it, right? Because you're thinking about it, I feel like you're thinking about it, it's a lot of people, right?
Mm-hmm.
They just gave $2 trillion to the economy. They could have saved $1 trillion if they just gave the money straight to old people. Like, you know how much money they could have saved if they just gave it to old people who don't have Social Security? Because they already get Social Security. You might bump it up a little bit. Funny? What?
They would have gave them the money, and then if they, God forbid, if they die in the next however years, they'd get that money back in estate taxes, depending on how much money they have.
Who?
The government.
Oh, so I'm saying, give it up. And it's like, well, if you look at it, right? It's like, they're not really working like that anyways. I don't think they bring that much money to the economy as far as people who are under 60. And way more people under 60 than there are over 60. So it's like, you giving a 25-year-old who works at Starbucks $1,200 for what? They're not sick. They going out playing basketball in the park. They're getting $1,200 for what? They're not gonna die. But there's an old lady out there, or an old man or something, and an old transgender or something like that, and they the ones that's sick and dying. They need to be quarantined. Give them a nice little TV to watch. They probably be chilling. They're like, don't come see me. And if they want, they could just Zoom their friends and their family members. Like, oh, hey, it's been like 3 months. I haven't seen you in a while. How's it going?
A lot of those old people can't take care of themselves.
I don't think that's true. How old are we talking? 80?
And it depends.
And if you're that old, you probably listen. You go outside. You 80. Just go enjoy your life. Go get corona at that point. You 80 years old, bro.
Oh my gosh. There's some old people that, because like my grandma's sisters, one of them has dementia, and then the other one, she has it's like stomach problems, like ulcer problems and stuff like that. So it's kind of like when you're gonna transport all these frail people or people that have like mental diseases.
We take care of them now.
Of family members. Because Aunt Pearline, she's the one that has the stomach problems. She stays with Auntie Marcy.
What does she do though? Well, how do they take care of them? What do they need? What help do they need?
Honestly,
nothing. They don't need no help. They don't need no help. Exactly.
But Aunt Vi does need help because since it's more of a, I don't even know, is that cognitive Alzheimer's? Since her memory is messed up, she doesn't really know who is who. So she doesn't know, like she'll turn on the, she doesn't live by herself though.
Exactly. If you took her and put her in a hotel room by herself, what she need to remember?
That's the thing, like she'll turn the stove on, forget that she turned on the stove.
Have somebody come in and check.
What about emotional?
Then go outside and die. And you have Zoom. And you don't remember them anyways. You talk about emotional support like shit. She don't know who they are.
I don't think I'm gonna add this part to this.
Like, I don't understand. What are you gonna do?
What is wrong with you?
You disagree? No, you don't. So now what?
I don't disagree.
Okay then.
But morally, like
morally what? Ethically what?
While I don't disagree, it's fucked up.
Why?
You said fucking they don't remember them anyway.
You said emotional support, but they gonna get emotional support from. Hey, aren't you Melissa? Aren't you my son? They don't remember what like. I guess you could hug them, but it's like, okay, boom, give them some hugs.
And
honestly, if you have dementia or Alzheimer's, you won't remember you was away for 3 months. You come back.
It depends. It depends on the severity.
Then you lying. I feel like if now all of a sudden the last 6 years we trying to talk to you, you don't remember shit, and now 3 months you in the hotel. Why y'all put me in the hotel for? Why I hate y'all. Listen, Aunt Pearline, you could have been outside. So that's all I'm saying. Listen, if you live past 80, do go outside, go travel the world, enjoy your life. When you
say go outside, that's not what comes to my mind. When I hear you say go outside, I just see
go outside and catch corona.
Yeah, like,
corona. Yes, go out and get corona. Here's the thing, right? If they die from a respiratory issue that's not corona, they're gonna be tight. Cause they're still old. Like their heart gonna stop beating. I feel like listen, old people die. Could you imagine being old? You living in here. They got a little studio like this. Where you going? You go take a shower. You give them a nice TV to watch.
God forbid you fall
And it's
down.
an electric stove. They turn it on and do what?
Burn themselves.
What?
It still gets hot.
Why turn the stove on for? Take the stove out.
Hungry.
They go now. They can cook. So they remember that they know how to cook, but they don't turn the stove off. How do they do that?
They think they be cooking.
Just take the stove out the house. Bring them food. It's even better. Bring them food.
How would you? Okay? Would you cover the stove? Like, what would you do?
Take the knobs off.
They got mad time. They'll figure that shit out.
How they become so smart all of a sudden? Before they couldn't know what day of the week it is, and now they know how to take the knobs off of the stove.
That doesn't make them like dumb.
So they're walking around and they see a stove and go, you know what I want to do? I want to take the knobs off because I forgot what knobs are for.
They're not the ones taking the knobs off. You are.
No, you asked them before that. What you said before that?
I said it doesn't make them dumb.
No, before that. Because my solution was take the knobs off.
I said, yeah, if they wanted to cook.
Take the knobs off. And that's it. That's that problem solved. They can't
but the thing is, what if they try to figure out how to plug it back in, or try to figure out...
They're going to move the stove by themselves? Come on.
I don't even know how that's...
You don't even know how. And you fully functional.
Am I fully
more functional than them? And they got to move the stove to get the thing in the back. They're not turning that shit on.
So y'all gonna do all of that for every single person that y'all gonna put in these hotels?
No, the dementia one, the one it's gonna have the average old people from this age to this age. Boom, that's one category. Then you have the ones that have seriously ill problems. That's one other category. Then third category is people that need to be hospitalized. And honestly, why are they not in the hospital already?
They're not in immediate danger to themselves, I guess.
Listen, all I'm saying is...
And then I just had another question.
They can pay a caregiver.
Wait, so how do you...
What? $2 trillion is a lot of money. That's all I'm saying.
For some people... So would they be allowed to leave the hotel?
No.
That's like solitary confinement.
Yes. It's called quarantine. That's the word you're looking for. It's called quarantine in them.
But at least when you're quarantined with other people, like your family.
The whole purpose of quarantining is not to be with other people.
But families right now.
What if your mom goes to work and gets coronavirus and comes back home?
Everybody might have coronavirus.
So are they really quarantining?
So what you want them to do? Like, do you want her to
You take the old person and you put them over there. That's it. That's what you do.
I hear you.
Uh-huh.
But how is the older person's mental state gonna be once they get out? Like, do you think that's gonna have a negative mental effect? Like, do you think it's gonna have the same effect that like solitary confinement will have on an inmate or something like that?
No, you can Zoom people. You can talk to people on your thing. You just can't hang out with them.
But what about touch you?
So you get coronavirus. That's how you get it. If you want to be touched, then you can go outside and die. And it's the
So
thing.
what about husbands
You
and
could
wives?
ask
Are
them.
you gonna keep them together?
Yes. You both don't have it because they're together. It's a great idea. I think I'm gonna have to call Trump and let him know. 'Cause obviously, I'm smarter than all the people that work and all these.
What about what if you're older and you have sisters? You gonna put all of them together?
They live together already?
Sure. Yeah.
Why not? If they like it, here's the thing. Another part. You ask people, do you want to be quarantined? If they say no, then fine. If you die, don't come to us for no help or nothing. You die. If you say yes, all right, boom. We have a space for you over here. For 3 months, you gotta stay here for 3 months. In this hotel or whatever for 3 months.
But what about the sick people? About people that have diabetes, that have obesity?
What about them? Obesity, y'all dying. That's sorry. Shouldn't have been fat. What else you got? What's left? Who else?
I don't think I'm ready to be a co-host on the show yet. I don't have the stomach for your response.
But you don't have no reasoning as to what I'm saying is not true. You just feel like it's not nice to say.
It's not that I feel that it's not nice to say. You know what? It is that I feel that. In addition to kind of the shock factor that, oh my God, somebody said that.
Yes, because it's true. And you think it, but you didn't say it.
Yes. Okay. What about people that have like autoimmune diseases? That have like...
We take care of them. They're gonna hire on the list. Up there with old people.
Oh, and again, there were old people?
Yeah, and again, this is the most important part. They have to agree. You don't just quarantine everybody. Because listen, you might want to risk it. I want to go outside and hang out with my friends. All right. When you die, and another thing, this is a great idea. Actually, this is an amazing idea. Here's the other thing, right? If you do get sick with coronavirus, because more people are inside, you will have more space in the hospital to take care of somebody that does get sick because there are less people who are catching it.
Would they be able to take like furniture and stuff with them?
What? Why would you take furniture to a hotel?
Oh, this hotel.
They have a bed, a couch, a TV. They got a refrigerator. They got a stove. Some of them even have a balcony.
And who's paying for the food and stuff that they eat? The government pays
Probably.
for it?
The government, or you can even pay. They can even, honestly, they could just tell the freaking people, the hotel, listen, cover them, free food. How much old people think what they gonna eat? How much food do they eat? They don't eat that much.
How you know that?
Because they're old. How much your grandmother eat? Did she eat a lot? They don't eat that much. Listen, I should be the president. He don't eat that much either. My mom doesn't eat that much. I don't think she's 60 though, but she eat a bag of Skittles. Take her 6 days for this one bag of Skittles. So, yeah, exactly.
What else?
It's a great plan. It's a great plan. I don't have any holes in it yet. I haven't found out some holes yet. I'm still looking.
Where is the hotel gonna does the hotel get funding for this? Or that's who the government is paying the hotels?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And room cleaning and stuff like that.
What room cleaning?
Because it's when you go to a hotel.
It's your house. You clean your own house.
Where are they getting all this? Is it gonna be stocked like a house?
What
with cleaning supplies and stuff like that? Because you said hotel. Hotels usually have a cleaning service.
What kind of cleaning is your grandmother do in the house?
Your grandma be cleaning.
What does she be cleaning?
Cleaning the tub, cleaning the
Why?
The
Why?
floors.
Because y'all all be in there.
Yeah.
She live by herself. She's not cleaning that much. What's she cleaning? She take a shower, maybe whatever, once a day or whatever. She's not cleaning the tub every day before she get in the shower. There's nobody else in the shower but her. She goes there, take a shower, goes to bed. What is she like? What is she doing? The only thing she might, and again, it's offer. It's like you don't have to do this. You can go back outside. It's fine. But when you just know if you die, don't come to us complaining about you didn't save and protect. We gave you an option to go away, to live somewhere, to be fine for 3 months till we figure this out, and all of y'all are safe because y'all are the ones that are dying.
And then the rest of the world just continues going on.
Mm-hmm. We don't get corona over the next however many months. We get it. We get over it. We're all fine.
I don't have any objections to the plan.
Listen, we're in a podcast. Next episode tomorrow. This is my solution to the to this. And talk to some old people. I'll ask my dad what he feels about that. I'm curious. I'll call him tomorrow. Ask him. Oh, yeah, he's 60.
I'm very excited to put the SpongeBob clip in, and we take the and we put it over there. Very excited to put that into the